Our second recipient of the 2013 National Volunteer Leadership Award is Dr. Eric Taylor. Please join me as we watch a brief video about this inspirational leader.
Dr. Eric Taylor comes by his passion for volunteering from his late father, Dr. Willis J. Taylor, who was president of the American Cancer Society in 1983. Little wonder, then, that the man described as a pillar of the Great West Division has been an American Cancer Society volunteer at all levels of the organization for nearly 30 years. He is also founder and former chair of the Seattle Research Breakfast, which has raised more than $600,000 for the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network since the event began in 2007, and serves as a model fundraiser nationwide. The program brings together hospital, research, institution, and community leaders to raise money for the Society's advocacy affiliate and make fighting cancer a top national priority. Dr. Taylor was also instrumental in securing a contract with Virginia Mason Medical Center to build an American Cancer Society Cancer Resource Center, the first in the Pacific Northwest. The center engages volunteers to serve hundreds of newly diagnosed patients each year with the support they need throughout their cancer experience. Under his leadership, the former Washington Division undertook 2 statewide mammogram campaigns, enrolling facilities to offer reduced-cost screening mammograms to women whose insurance didn't cover the life-saving test. As a result, hundreds of women could afford breast cancer screening and begin making regular mammograms a routine part of their health care. In addition to his mission-focused work, Dr. Taylor has guided the Society through numerous organizational changes, including merging 4 states into the Northwest Division in 1998 and 3 multi-state divisions into the Great West Division in 2003. These efforts helped us align our work and become better stewards of donor dollars, even before the days of transformation.
In recognition of Dr. Taylor's years of dedicated service to the Society, it's my pleasure to present him with the 2013 National Volunteer Leadership Award. Please join me as he comes to stage. I'm delighted to present you with this award, which reads, American Cancer Society National Volunteer Leadership Award, presented to Eric W. Taylor, MD, honoring his inspirational leadership at all levels of the organization, which has included efforts to make cancer a top national priority, to support people throughout their cancer experience, and to guide the Society through organizational changes that have helped us align our work and become better stewards of our donors' dollars. Thank you, Eric.
Thank you very much for this kind recognition. As a longstanding volunteer, I don't really feel like what's been described. I feel it's been a privilege to be one of literally millions of volunteers who have made a difference over the last 100 years in this fight. Yesterday's presentations just remind us all, as volunteers, how humbling it is and what people have done and what pace setters there have been over the many decades. I'd like to thank my great volunteer and staff colleagues from the Great West Division who are over in this neighborhood here. You've been wonderful to work with. Maybe we have a few more days, hopefully. And thank you for nominating me for this award. As the video introduced, I've been blessed to have 2 wonderful parents, Dr. Willis and Liz Taylor. My mother, Liz, loved the American Cancer Society. She was a terrible volunteer, but she was very happy to have her husband and son volunteering on her behalf. And it really means a lot. I guess I'm a second-generation volunteer, and in this organization, the largest in the world for volunteerism in health, to have 2 generations of volunteers at the local, state, and national level is very meaningful. And my father, who was a very humble and selfless individual, really helped instill the values of giving back and how important it is to do more than what you do as just part of your profession. I've met and had the pleasure to relate to many volunteers and staff in this fabulous volunteer-staff relationship that's made the American Cancer Society so successful for 100 years. And I could go through a list of innumerable people that have had an impact on my life, and I would like to point out one. Anne-Marie Pomeranke, if you would please stand, Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie's the former chair of the Great West Division. And she has served as a mentor and educator for so many staff and volunteers in Washington, the Northwest Division, and the Great West Division. And you've helped guide us in figuring out what's really important, how to prioritize, and very importantly, how to get things done in this very complex organization, the American Cancer Society. So this is a wonderful celebration, 100 years of accomplishment, and hopefully, and we really need to celebrate this and relish in this, but hopefully folks like us will not be sitting here in 50 to 100 years, because if we are, we will have not accomplished our goals. And so good luck to all of you. You all do so many wonderful and important things in helping finish this fight. Thank you again.